So good afternoon all of you. So today we will start the chapter number 3. Okay, already we have studied two chapters. Now the basic three chapters are divided for the managerial functions. Okay, basically there are five managerial functions. First is planning, organizing, staffing, leading and controlling. So third chapter is a leading and controlling. So whatever the basic information, what overall information of the managerial functions, last two managerial functions, is it right? So already we have discussed about planning, organizing and staffing. In the staffing selection process, HR recruitment process, okay, performance appraisal, training and development. So all the part already we have discussed. Now after selecting, leading is very important. Okay, what is the leading, what is the controlling? Now after that, five manager functions will over, and last chapter of this section is a different departments. So let's start the chapter number 3. Now unit number 3 is a leading and controlling. Okay, basically leading and controlling is a managerial functions. So what is the syllabus for this chapter? Now if you consider the leading, okay, in leading, person managing, in leading, human factors in managing, which factors are very important for leading? Is it right? Next is a motivation. Now, leading as concerned, motivation is what is the motivation? Different types of motivation. What are the process of motivation? Different theories. Okay. In that theories, we will see short different theories, but for our syllabus, two theories are considered. Okay, carrot and stick and the Maslow's theory. So we will discuss. There are 8 to 10 theories. Okay, so we will discuss in short, but this carrot and stick and Maslow theory is important for the, as point of view examination of university examination. Okay, but if you required very get related study, okay, some management study is required. Okay, so then you can study all the materials. Okay, so I will provide notes also. Now leadership, what is leading leadership? A concept, styles of communication process. Okay, which style we have to follow doing in working in industry. Okay, so that will also we will see concept, style, process. What is the communication process? Now already we have discussed about the hierarchy of the organization. Okay, in first level or top level management, okay, middle level management, supervisor level, and last is the workers. So what will be the communication process? Okay, so in detail we will study in this chapter. Okay, types of communication, oral communication may be there, written communication, non-verbal communication. Okay, so in detail we will study. The last part is the controlling process of controlling and different control techniques we will discuss. Okay, so let's start with leading. Okay, now what is the leading? The leading is the process of influencing people so that they will contribute to organization and group goals. Very simple definition. Leading is nothing but the process of influencing people. So we have to motivate the people. When we will say that we will say that this person is very leading. Okay, our leader, as per your behavior, as per your working stamina, stability, okay, or initiative. So that all the factors are, you can say that the leading. Okay, basically what are the synonyms of leading? So we will see here in last line we have discussed, written here over here, synonyms of the leading. So we, what is actually leading? So we can say that the main person. Okay, if you consider in any industry, number of people are there, number of workers are there. So who is a leader? Okay, according to his qualification, according to his degree. So we can say that the leadership. Okay, or main, chief. Okay, chief or major, prime, most. So these are the synonyms of the leading. Okay, we can say that the main manager, executive director, CEO, okay, whatever the major like prime minister, okay. Most important. So for these are the synonyms for the leading. Okay, so basically leading is nothing but the process. Is it right? Leading is a process of influencing people. Influencing is nothing but that people will start work initially or immediately. Okay, effectively we can say that. Huh? So influencing people is nothing but motivating that people so that they will contribute the organizational goal and whatever the group goal. Okay, so this is a important factor or definition of the leading. Is it right? So different types of leading we will discuss, but this is definition. Now leading is related to the manager. Okay, as we are studying this subject as a point of manager. Okay, as a point of view of manager. Is it right? So manager must be able to make employees want to participate in achieving an organizational goal. So every manager's duty is that. Which duty? It managers must be able to make employees participate in achieving the organizational goal. So whatever the work, contribution of work, you have to contribute to work, the distribution of that work, and after that collecting whatever the data. So entire goal of that industry will or that organization will fulfill. This is the quality of leader. Who is a leader? As our point, manager is a leader. Okay, so each and every manager will do work with the help of different worker or whatever the available manpower inside that organization. Is it right? So this is a basic definition of the leading. Huh? Now after leading, who is a we will see that. Okay, so what is a boss and what is a leader? Okay, already we know what is a leading, what is the quality of leader. Okay, so that will also we will discuss. But before start the leading or whatever the study, so we will compare first of all what is a boss and what is a leader. Is it right? So behavior of particular employee or particular managers or our behavior in future. So we will increase our positive behavior. Okay, so we will compare what is a boss and what is a leader. Difference between boss and leader. Okay, so this will not ask for the examination, but if you will got an idea, okay, what is actually leader, so definitely our behavior will change. Okay, as compared to boss. So what is a boss? Drives employees. Okay, what is a boss duty? We always say that. Okay, leader is good or boss is good. Always leader will be appreciated by the society. Why? Because whatever the behavior of that leader is better as compared to the boss. Okay, so boss will drive the employee. बॉस काय करणार आहे? हा, जे काय काम सांगितलं ते करून घ्यायचं तुम्ही. पण लीडर काय म्हणणार आहे? हा चला आपण काम मिळून करू. ओके, दिस इज अ लिडरशिप क्वालिटी. बॉस काय म्हणणार आहे? हे काम तू करून घे. That is nothing but the difference between drives the employee. Okay, they will drive the employee, but leader coaches them. Okay, driving and coaching is very different. Huh? Driving is nothing but directly action they will give, directly signal, okay, or directly order they will give. Okay, but leader, if you consider, leader will coach you. Okay, तो काय तुम्हाला शिकवून सांगेल की बाबा हे कसं करायचं काम. Okay, so leader we can consider the coaches them. Huh? Now next difference is depends on authority. Okay, and on goodwill. So we can who is the boss? No, as per the authority we can select the boss. For example, in any manager in that industry. Okay, so we can say that the boss. Why? Because this is the education of that particular manager, the experience of that manager. Now depend on authority. So what authority they are having, what power they are having. So according to that, whatever they are having, okay, who is boss? Okay, so we can say that this is a depend on authority. Boss, we can say that depend on authority, but leader on goodwill. Okay, what is a leadership quality or what is a work of leader? Definitely according to whatever the 1 minute. Okay, so depends on authority. Boss, we can say that on goodwill. Okay, what is goodwill is nothing but they will work very properly, for we can say that the whatever the work completion quality of that म्हणजे बोलणं असेल त्याचं ओके दे विल गिव्ह डायरेक्शन टू यू किंवा आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो सदिच्छा म्हणतो गुडविल इज नथिंग बट सदिच्छा ओके सो लीडर विल टेक गुडविल ऑन दिस लीडर विल डिसाइड ऑन गुडविल and boss will depend on authority. Okay, so this is the difference between boss and leader. Now inspires fear. Okay, what is a boss will inspires fear and leader will generates enthusiasm. Okay, म्हणजे बॉस काय करणार आहे भीती करणार आहे हा हे काम करून टाकणार तर मग तुला टर्मिनेट करेल किंवा सॅलरी कट करेल मेमो काढेल ओके दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ बॉस ओके बट inspires fear भीती घालायला बघणार आहे बॉस ओके बट लीडर विल जनरेट enthusiasm okay what is enthusiasm leader will give try to create enthusiasm ओके म्हणजे हा हे काम कर तुला ह्याचा हे फायदा होईल मोटिवेट करेल तुम्हाला तो ओके सो दिस इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ लीडर ओके ना बॉस इज ऑलवेज सेज आय अँड लीडर इज ऑलवेज सेज ॲट वी ओके बॉस काय म्हणणार आहे मी केलं ओके इज इट राईट so leader काय हा आपण केलं आपण करूया okay so this is a very small difference but very effective difference in industry okay so keep in mind whenever you will be in industry so try to work with the help of leadership qualities okay don't follow the boss rules okay because boss is different and leader is different is it right but as per work authority okay as per work we will convert leader to boss also boss to leader also okay so that theories motivation theories we will discuss in next ppt okay or next slide okay so both qualities are very important so boss is always says I and whatever leader is always says as we is it right now next boss places blame for the breakdown okay and whatever leader fixes the breakdown okay नाउ प्लेसेस ब्लेम फॉर दी बॉस काय म्हणणार हा झालं तुमच्यामुळे झालं तर लीडर काय म्हणणार आहे हा फिक्सेस दे ब्रेकडाऊन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ओव्हरऑल टीम बॉस काय म्हणणार आहे हा हे आपल्या काय एकावरती कोणावरती ब्लेम न करता ओके सो दे विल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट सक्सेस ऑल्सो इन फेल्युअर ऑल्सो ओके ऑर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ऑल दी वॉट एव्हर द सक्सेस वे हॅव वॉट एव्हर फेल्युअर वे हॅव सो वी दे लीडर विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ऑर टेक the whatever the काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला responsibility okay so leader will take responsibility of all success as well as failure know how it is done develops people now boss is always will ask you okay so why you this work we have not made but leader will say that nah this is a procedure of work they will give now this is nothing but the development of people okay bro leader will try to development of people boss is always want to only the related to the work only okay know how it is done हे काम कसं गेलं तू सांग एवढंच म्हणणार आहे बॉस ओके बट लीडर काय करणार आहे डेव्हलप पीपल विथ द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑर गिविंग द वॉट एव्हर द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दी पर्टिक्युलर वर्क ओके सो दिस इज ऑल्सो डिफरन्स बिटवीन बॉस अँड लीडर इज इट राईट हां now next is a कुठे गेलं हा boss is uses know how it is done and shows how it is done okay हा हे आता हे उलट झालं बघा हा बॉस काय म्हणणार आहे बॉस इज ऑलवेज नोज हाऊ इट इज डन म्हणजे ते काम कसं केलं तुम्ही ठीक आहे सांगा बट लीडर विल शो हाऊ इट इज डन okay this is the difference between now next is uses people and whatever the leader develop people की uses is nothing but बॉस असेल तो कामाचा वापर करून घेणार फक्त okay so there is nothing else okay so they will try to only make work fulfill okay but leader will develop people okay always leader will say that whatever the development of people employee inside our industry or organization this is the aim of that leader but boss is only uses the people okay so this is only dealing with work completion is it right so this is the difference between boss and leader now boss is always take credit and leader is always gives credit definitely boss काय म्हणणार आहे हे काम मी केलं okay at the end of work completion but leader will हे काम आम्ही केलं as like I and we okay boss is always says that I and leader is always say that we. Is it right? So commands, boss will give different commands and leader will ask. बॉस काय करणार, हे काम करून घ्या. लीडर काय म्हणणार, हे काम आपण करूया का. ओके, सो दिस इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन और कम्युनिकेशन डिफरन्स बिटवीन दी बॉस अँड leader. Okay, if any doubt is there you can ask. So next is leader will give commands and leader will, sorry, boss will give commands and leader will give, or they will ask whatever the work. Okay, boss will says go and leader will say let's go. Is it right? So this is a very simple difference. So try to make always leader, don't make boss. Okay, but if any emergency work is there, if any employee will take a whatever the काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला गैरफायदा, ओके, तुमच्या स्वभावाचा जर गैरफायदा जर घेत असेल एखादा माणूस लिडरशिप क्वालिटीमध्ये, तर यू शुड बी ऍक्ट ॲज बॉस ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दीज आर द मॅनेजरियल्स क्वालिटी ऑर फंक्शन्स. इज इट राईट? सो बॉस विल ऑलवेज सेज गो अँड लीडर विल ऑलवेज सेज लेट्स गो. म्हणजे जो काय म्हणणार आहे काम करायला सुरू करा, जावा, हे काय म्हणून चला आपण काम करूया. दिस इज अ डिफरन्स. ओके, सो एव्हरी इंजिनियर और एव्हरी एम्प्लॉई शुड नो what are the qualities of leadership. Okay, what we can compare with boss with leader. Okay, so this is a difference that will be helpful for our changing behavior. Okay, so keep in mind all of you, if you will be in industry or any organization, try to work with the help of leadership qualities. Okay, then and only your growth and satisfaction of work will be there. Okay, so this is the difference between boss and leader. Okay, now some human factors in managing. Okay, if you consider the human factors in manager, which factors is very important for the management. Okay, now human factor approaches focus on how to make the best use of the capabilities. Okay, which factors? Okay, approaches focuses on how to make the best uses of these capabilities. So whatever present inside that industry or whatever the factors required for the completion or organizational goal. Okay, so some factors are required. Okay, so we will discuss that factors also. Now that factors are depending on designing jobs and equipment which are fit for people. Okay, which as per the knowledge, as per the experience, as per whatever the behavior of any employee, so they have to contribute or they have to distribute workload also. Okay, by designing jobs and equipment which are fit for people. जे काम ज्या माणसाला व्यवस्थित असेल, that work will we have to give to them. Is it right? So the human factors approaches focuses on how to make the best uses of these capabilities by designing job and equipment which are fit for the people. This is not only improves their health and safety but often ensure a better managed and more effective organization. So what are the duty of manager? Okay, or if you can say that what is the duty of management. Okay, so whatever the safety and health care of that particular employee is also duty of that manager or management or organization. Okay, नाहीतर हां सकाळी 8ला ये कामाला आणलं की संध्याकाळी 12-1 वाजता जा, रोज हे चालू आहे. सो दॅट विल बी डिस्टर्ब द हेल्थ ऑफ दॅट different employee. Okay, so this is also ethics. Already we have discussed ethics in management. Okay, social responsibility of the manager. Okay, so that factors we have to consider in leading also. Okay, so what when the leadership quality will grow, so whatever the factors we will discuss, we will consider of each and every employee. Okay, so this is also main duty of the manager. Every manager should discuss or consider the health and safety of each and every employee. Okay, then and only that leadership quality or whatever the organizational goal will complete satisfactory or the as per expectation. Okay, suppose if your employee is very nervous, why? Because you are not paying. Okay, you are doing maximum work, okay, as compared to others. Okay, so that will be very critical for that employee, or that employee will also not satisfy. Okay, they will nervous. So as per the norms. Okay, so leadership quality or whatever this is the duty of leader. Okay, no multiplicity of roles, no average, these are the factors. multiplicity of roles, no average person, the importance of personal dignity, okay, and consideration of the whole person. Okay, so what is the first managerial factor is a multiplicity of role. That factors also there. So we will discuss factors first of all. Human factors are there. Okay, so which factors are there? So this is a sitting. Okay, lot of factors are there. We will discuss important factors only. Okay, so first human factor is a managing human failure, error or violations. So what are the important factors in management? Human factors in management. Now first factor is a managing human failure. Suppose now these are the quality of leadership. So we can discuss that as per heading is a leadership. Okay, so every manager or every leader inside that organization will think on that managing human failure. Suppose if any failure will happen with the help of different employees, so what action will be there? Okay, we have to investigate that things also. Okay, आता टी व्हीला असतात बघा सारख्या बातम्या. आता आज काय ते बघत असाल टी व्हीला तर ते चालूच असते बघा. कोणाचं काय झालं, कोणाचं काय झालं, मंत्र्याचं हे झालं ते झालं. ओके, लगेच काय इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करा, चौकशी लावा. सो व्हॉट इज आउटपुट? ओके, सो as per managerial behavior or leadership quality, whatever the failure or whatever the uh, output of that work, okay, every leader should consider their factors. Okay, whatever the errors or violations, so what action will take on that errors? Okay, so what is the solution to overcome that errors? Okay, so this is also leadership quality. एखादा जर चुकलाच काम करताना, नवीन असेल तर वर्कर, सो लीडर काय करेल तर लगेच ते काम कशामुळे चुकलं या झालं. ओके, सो दे विल ऑल्सो ट्राय टू repair that errors, okay, or repair that failure. So this is a very important factor of human factors in managing, okay, as leadership quality. Okay, next is a procedure. Every leader or whatever the manager which is having leadership quality, okay, so they will give detailed procedure to the each and every employee. Is it right? So whatever the procedure or okay. So procedure or methodology, whatever that manager will also do that, or they will also think on that. Okay, this is also important factor of human factors in managing. Training and competence. Okay, so every leader will give whatever the training. What is the procedure of training? Already we have discussed training and development point in last lecture. Okay, so training and competence, so all the factors related to the training competence, so leader, each and every leader will think on that. Okay, training and competence, whatever the ability of that particular employee, so leader will also give training, and they will find out the whatever the competence, desert, or whatever the eligibility of that particular employee. Okay, or as per the qualification of that employee. So that factor is also very important, as if you consider the third factor of management or human factors of management. Okay, staffing, we already studied that what is the process of staffing. Okay, recruitment, whatever the training and development, performance appraisal, okay, HR, resource management, okay, human resource management. Now next is the organizational change. Okay, so if you consider the leader, okay, so leader will always think on how our industry or organization will be better as compared to others. Okay, what whether the any innovation is required. Okay, so leader will always think on that factors. Huh? So they will also infrastructure of organization. Okay, whatever the increment of that organization, okay, or whatever the they will try always our industry will be at the top level. So leader will always think on that organizational change also. Okay, whatever the change is required as per the society is changing. Okay, now safety critical communication. Okay, so this is also human factor, safety critical communication. They will also follow the communication guidelines. Okay, लीडर असं तुम्हाला वगैरे अरे तुरे करत बसणार नाही इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. ओके, किंवा एखाद्याला टाकून बोलणं वगैरे. सो सेफ्टी क्रिटिकल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर द हेल्थ अँड युअर सेफ्टी दे विल ऑल्सो consider. So this is also human factor as leadership. Okay, human factors in design. Okay, so they will also try to make a design as per design or analysis of each and every employee whatever the work. So they will try to increase the design quality of that organization. Okay, fatigues and the shift work, they will also take them. Huh. Fatigue, and what is a fatigue? Fatigue is nothing but whatever the capacity of that worker. ओके, नाहीतर वर्करला सकाळी 8 वाजता बोलवायचं संध्याकाळी 12 वाजता घरी जा म्हणायचं. ओके, ते काय जाईल का व्यवस्थित, चाललं तर जाईल का ते. ओके, सो दॅट विल ऑल्सो व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर दी वर्क. इज इट राईट? सो फटिग अँड सो थकवा म्हणतो आपण त्याला. ओके, म्हणजे त्याचा कॅपॅसिटी ऑफ वर्क ऑल्सो दे विल डिस्कस. इज इट राईट? सो हां, fatigue and shift work. Now shift work, if you consider there are basically in MNC companies, okay, you might be knowing there are shift work. Okay, what is the shift work? So always industry is always in working. Okay, so they will give work for the employee. Now it is impossible to continue work with 24 hours. Okay, so for that purpose industry or organization has divided one day into 3 shifts. Okay, so for example 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours. Okay, 8 into 3, 8, 23, 24. Okay, so that is a shift work. Now what is a shift work? So that manager also change the shift. Okay, for example एखाद्या दिवसाची शिफ्ट असेल तर नेक्स्ट आपण काय म्हणतो वर्क डिस्ट्रीब्युशन शुड बी देअर. सो मॅनेजर आर लीडर विल ऑल्सो थिंक ऑन फटीग ऑफ each and every employee and whatever the shift timing of the that particular employee. Okay, now organizational culture. So leader will also think on the organizational culture. Definitely leader will think on the organizational culture. They will always try to maintain the culture of that organization. Okay, for example if you consider whatever the different, if you consider as a Indian culture, okay, there are different events. Okay, आपण काय म्हणतो त्याला बरं, किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, religion, as per religion, as per the different events. Okay, that manager or that leader will give the very distribute. Okay, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, फॉर एक्झाम्पल नाव दे विल थिंक ऑफ ईच अँड एव्हरी रिलिजन. ओके, म्हणजे आपण ज्याला काय म्हणतो सर्व धर्म समभाव असेल किंवा प्रत्येक लोकांचा प्रत्येक समाजाचा इव्हेंट असेल, सण सणावळा असेल. ओके, सो दे विल ऑल्सो थिंक दॅट दे विल मेंटेन कल्चर ऑफ दॅट एंटायर ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, सो डेफिनेटली दीज आर द ह्युमन फॅक्टर्स फॉर दी leadership quality. Okay, now maintenance, inspection and testing. So they will always try to maintain. Okay, so whatever the maintenance of entire industry, okay, inspection or measurement, we can say that, quality checking, testing. Okay, so leadership, whatever the factors, these factors are also very important for the leadership qualities. Okay, so these are the human factors. Okay, so basic three four human factors we can write. Okay, so number of factors, but for our syllabus four factors are there. Multiplicity of role. Okay, so leader is having multiplicity of role. So leader is not having only single role. Okay, so they will also act as manager, they will also act as worker. Okay, they will always act as a market manager. Okay, so overall work, whatever the entire work is depend on that, whatever that particular manager. Okay, so no one is in industry having single load, okay, or single role. Okay, so multiplicity of role will also handle the whatever the leader. Okay, now this is also quality of leadership. Is it right? हाँ. Paste your roll numbers. हाँ. आहेत का जागे? आहेत. चार पाच जागे आहेत. सहा सात आठ नऊ आहेत जागे सगळे. ठीक आहे. ओके. I will take attendance also. Huh? Don't miss the lectures. Huh? Huh. So multiplicity of role. Okay, so each and every manager or whatever the leader inside that industry or organization is having always multiplicity of roles. Okay, now this is also factor, human factor. No average person. Okay, so what is no average person? They nothing but they is having number of qualities. ओके, सो म्हणजे काय सर्वसाधारण माणूस नसणार आहे तो इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये लीडर, म्हणजे आपण कोणाला पण लीडर म्हणणार नाही. ओके, सो दे शुड हॅव द डिफरंट factors. Okay, they should have different roles, then and only we can say that this is a no average person. Okay, so this is also factor. The importance of personal dignity. Okay, now whatever the personal dignity, they will also think on each and every employee's health. Is it right? So this is also human factor. Next is the importance of personal dignity. Okay, so they will also will congratulate you. They will also motivate you. Okay, different consequences. So these factors are also important for the whatever the, if you consider the human factors. Okay, and last factor is the consideration of the whole person. Is it right? So consideration of whole person. The whatever the leader will not say only failure, whatever the correctness. Okay, they will also, which is a lagging part. Okay, so always leader will always take that point also. Suppose इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये एखादा वर्कर असेल, त्याचं एखादं काम टेक्निकली दिस इज व्हेरी, ही इज व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग. Okay, but if you consider the communication of that particular person is lack. Okay, so they will also consider that factor. They will try to give training. Okay, so the this is also best or important human factor of the management. Is it right? So that all these factors we have to consider in the management level. Okay, so these are the human factors. Our next point is a motivation. So we will give very small information about motivation. Now motivation. Now what is a motivation? As leadership we are studying, so motivation is a very important factor for the leadership. Okay, so they will always give motivation. Okay, leader will always give motivation to the next level of manager or next level of worker. Okay, so motivation is very important. With the help of motivation we can do any work in industry. Okay, with very effectively. म्हणजे एखाद्याला बघा मोटिवेट करायचं एखाद्याला काम करण्यासाठी, सो दे विल ऑल्सो टेक द बेनिफिट ऑफ सेम. Is it right? So motivation is a general term applying to the entire class of drives, desires, needs, wishes and similar forces. Okay, so whatever qualities is having leadership, okay, our leader is having different qualities, so they will try to generate, okay, different class of drives, desires, needs, wishes and similar forces. Okay, they will try to motivate each and every employee of that organization. Okay, managers motivate their subordinates. Okay, subordinate is nothing but who is working in next level. Okay, managers motivate their subordinates is to say that they do not think which they hope will satisfy. Okay, these drives and desires, whatever the desires, drives, needs, wishes, okay, and similar forces which is having which will be helpful for the motivation. Okay, so manager will motivate to their subordinates is to say that they do not think which they hope satisfy these drives. Okay, and they will induce the subordinate to act in a desired manner. Okay, so what is a motivation? Okay, we can see that needs. Okay, as need will generate interpretation of goals. Okay, incentive according to one's perception. Okay, goal directly behavior accomplish of the goal. Now this is a way of motivation. Okay, when we will give the motivation, suppose if any uh, need is happen, okay, if any need is generated, so fulfill that need. Now motivation is very important. Suppose we want to finish one work in that in industry or organization within one day, so what will the procedure of to completing that work? Okay, so we have to give motivation to employee. Okay, so then and then only that employee will get motivated and they will start work and they will start complete the whatever the work within given time. Okay, so that factor or this is also depend on the motivation. Okay, so leadership is always having motivation qualities. Okay, so if in need is generated interpretation of goals or incentive according to the one's preparation perception. Okay, so goals directed behaviors according to the behavior you can direct the goal. Okay, whatever the achievement, whatever the goal we have to reach up to that goal, so this is also depending on the behavior of that employee. And motivation is that to change the behavior of that employee. Okay, they will think on that this is my industry. Okay, this is our industry. Okay, so they will always think on whatever the behaviors of that each and every employee. Okay, so motivation is having that accomplishment of goals and need reduction. Okay, so basic requirement of that motivation is nothing but to accomplish the goal. Okay, his final target is to accomplish the goal. And need reduction. Okay, need reduction is nothing but the need reduction म्हणजे काय संपूर्ण टाकायचं नाही. Okay, they will fulfill that needs. Okay, as we have started from needs. Okay, whatever the need is generated at the end of motivation, whatever that need will be reduced. Need is reduced is nothing but the we have fulfilled that need. किंवा नीट जरा हा तू मागूच नको म्हणून बसलं की झालं. This is a not way. Okay, but we have to give satisfaction to that person. Okay, so this is a important factor for the motivation. Okay, so different motivation theories are there. Okay, so we will discuss that motivation theories in next lecture. Okay, so this is also very important or interesting part. Okay, so we will discuss this part in tomorrow lecture. Is it right? So what we have discussed today? Okay, we have started the leading. Okay, now whatever the human factors in managing and motivation we have started. Okay, so what are the factors, human factors? Definition, what is the difference between boss and leader, we already discussed. Okay, human factors in managing. Okay, human factors in managing, which factors are important for the management? Okay, managing human failures, procedures, training and competence, staffing, organizational change, safety, critical communication. Okay, human factors in design, fatigue and shift work, organizational culture, maintenance and inspection, testing. So that factors are also considered in the human factors in managing. Okay, and after that we have started the human motivation. Okay, definition of motivation, way of motivation, need. That satisfaction of need is nothing but the, for that purpose motivation is required. Okay, so at the end our goal should be accomplished. Okay, all our goal will be accomplished and we will reach to the expected solution or expected result. Okay, so this is nothing but the leadership quality required for each and every employee. Is it right? So hope you all have understood. Hmm? If any doubt is there, you can ask me. So for this chapter, maybe 5 lectures will be sufficient. Okay, 5 lecture, 2021, 20, 2021 lecture मध्ये section second will be first will be finished. Okay, and next 20 lectures will be required for 20 or 25 lectures will require for the second section. Okay, so try to make revision. Okay, so as per the study material. Okay, so I think study material is not with you, है ना? So I will try to send study material. Okay, all the study material is ready, but due to some changes or updation, we are not sending that. Okay, so as possible as we will send the share material, study material. Okay, so if any doubt is there, okay, you can ask me. Huh. So I will stop the recording first of all. Okay, so thank you for attending this lecture. So I will take attendance, don't left.